How to change background using BG Remover in Canva. Let's start by opening any web browser and navigating to Canva's website. Simply type canva.com into the address bar and press enter. Once Canva is open, we'll proceed with an image. Here, I already have an example ready, but feel free to upload your own image to follow along. Now, to change the image's background, click on your image to bring up the settings. In the menu at the top, you'll find an option labeled BG Remover. Click it, and watch as it magically removes the background from your image. With the background removed, it's time to add a new one. Move over to the left side of the screen and select a background from the Elements menu. In the search bar, I'll type beach background since that's my theme of choice. However, you can search for any background that suits your needs. Once you've found an appealing background, simply drag it onto your original image. To solidify this new background, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click Set Image as Background. As you can see, our image has been successfully given a fresh new background, and there you have it.